So over here on the left hand side, you can see that I got different type of chats right here, which are actually saved down. Let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and rename out those chats so that I can easily recognize them. So over here, you can see that there's teaching online strategies, but let's say I just want to rename it to online teaching so that I know about it in my own way. So to do that, I can click around over here on the three dot button and then rename this, and you can see that just like with the file name, I can simply go around and say online teaching, rename out the chat right here just like this as I want, and then confirm it out. I can also go around over here, click on the three dot button and rename this out right here. And over here, what you can do is, let's say for example, say SEO keywords just like this, and that is how you can rename it out. And that is how you can simply go ahead and rename out chats as you like inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.